everybody, it's Miss McKay, and I am going to help you with the Unit 7A review, and that's over the first part of our quadratics unit. So we're looking at question number 1, and we are being asked to graph our quadratic, 2x squared plus 8x, and we're looking for specific parts of it. We're looking for the vertex, we're looking for the axis of symmetry, we're looking for some zeros if it has any. We also need to find the domain and range of this function. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by remembering that our axis of symmetry, we can find the axis of symmetry from the formula x equals negative b over 2a. The reason we can use this formula is because our function is in standard form. If you also remember, our vertex can be found by using negative b over 2a as the x value, and we can plug in whatever we get from negative b over 2a into our function to find the y value for our vertex. So I'm going to show you what I mean by this exactly. So the first thing is we're going to use our formula negative b over 2a. We need to know what b and a are. So we need to dissect our problem. We need to look at what is our a. The a is what's next to the x squared. Our 2 is next to the x squared. The b is the value that is next to the x. We have an 8 next to our x. The c is always the number that's by itself. Well, since I don't have any number by itself, our c is 0. So I'm going to come over here so I can work on this. So what I'm saying is that my axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b, which our b is 8, over 2 times a. Our a is 2, so 2 times 2. This is the same thing as negative 8 over 4. Remember that fractions are really a division problem. So negative 8 divided by 4 is really negative 2. So my axis of symmetry is x equals negative 2. That is the first part of my vertex. I'm going to take negative 2 and I'm going to plug it in to my quadratic function in order to find the y value, the rest of the the rest of the vertex point. So I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to have 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2. If you plug this into your calculator exactly as you see it, you're going to get your answer. I'm going to go slower than that. I have negative 2 squared, which is the same thing as negative 2 times 2, negative 2, which is a 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Then I have 8 times negative 2, which is negative 16. So 8 minus 16 is negative 8. So my y value for the vertex is negative 8. The next thing that I need to do is find the zeros. There's different ways you can do this. The way that I recommend and the way that I showed you in class is to factor your function first and set the factors equal to 0. So we need to factor y equals 2x squared plus 8x. We're going to go ahead and do that in the next video.